Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkerk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. The Selkerk Sport Vanguard Pickleball Paddle lineup offers premium performance and cutting-edge design, catering to various player styles. Whether you choose the Vanguard Power Air, Vanguard Pro, or Vanguard Control, each paddle is engineered with advanced materials and technologies to enhance your game. All models in the Vanguard series are crafted using carbon fiber construction, delivering exceptional strength, lightweight responsiveness, and superior control. The paddles are built with 360 degrees proto-molding, ensuring uniformity across the surface for consistent shots and optimal power transfer. This seamless design helps increase durability while offering a clean, sleek feel during play. The flex foam perimeter adds a unique edge to performance by absorbing shock and vibrations, improving comfort and extending the paddle's sweet spot. This feature is especially helpful for players seeking a more forgiving paddle that enhances touch and feel. Whether you're driving from the baseline or finessing a drop shot at the net, the Vanguard paddles offer balanced performance across the board. The Vanguard Power Air is ideal for aggressive players looking for maximum power and spin, while the Vanguard Control suits those who prioritize touch, consistency, and shot placement. The Vanguard Pro offers a balanced blend of both styles, making it a versatile option for all-around players. Selkirk Sports Vanguard series is trusted by top-level players and recreational enthusiasts alike, making it a premium choice for anyone serious about pickleball. With innovative technology and precision craftsmanship, these paddles help elevate your game to the next level. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is designed for intermediate players seeking a balanced combination of power, control, and comfort. Featuring Head's renowned engineering, this paddle is part of the popular Radical series and offers excellent value for players looking to elevate their game without a high price tag. The Radical Elite features a composite hitting surface that provides a softer feel on contact, helping players control their shots with more finesse. It's paired with Head's optimized tubular construction, OTC, honeycomb polymer core, which adds stability and power while minimizing vibration. This makes the paddle feel solid and responsive during play, reducing arm fatigue and enhancing overall shot accuracy. With a mid-weight design, around 8.1 ounces, the paddle strikes a balance between maneuverability and power, making it suitable for both quick reactions at the net and powerful ground strokes. The ergonomic grip offers comfort for extended play, with a tacky surface that helps prevent slipping. The paddle's 14mm core thickness enhances control without sacrificing pop, and the slightly elongated shape provides a generous sweet spot. It's ideal for players who want a consistent feel across different shot types, from dinks to volleys to serves. Sporting a bold, modern design with Head's signature graphics, the Radical Elite is as stylish as it is functional. Overall, this paddle is an excellent choice for players progressing beyond beginner level who want a reliable, well-rounded paddle that delivers consistent performance on the court. Number 3. Onix Graphite Z5. The ONX Graphite Z5 Mod Pickleball Paddle is a highly regarded paddle known for its balance of power, control, and comfort, making it a favorite among beginners and intermediate players. This paddle features a graphite face combined with a no-mix honeycomb core, which delivers excellent responsiveness, durability, and a poppy feel on contact with the ball. The graphite surface provides quick reaction time and solid control, ideal for dinks, volleys, and fast exchanges at the net. The honeycomb core ensures a lightweight yet firm hitting surface, which helps players maintain consistency and accuracy. Weighing around 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, the Z5 mod offers a medium weight feel that balances maneuverability and hitting power. Its wide body shape, approximate 8 1/8 inches, provides a generous sweet spot, helping reduce mishits and increasing forgiveness. This makes it particularly user-friendly for players still honing their technique. One standout feature is the cushion comfort grip, which offers a soft, tacky, and ergonomic feel for long playing sessions. The grip helps reduce vibrations and fatigue, contributing to better control and comfort during intense rallies. The Z5 mod also has a classic ONX paddle shape, slightly elongated handle, about 5 inches, and a stylish design that makes it recognizable on any court. In summary, the ONX Graphite Z5 mod is a versatile and performance-driven paddle. Its lightweight build, responsive graphite face, and comfortable grip make it a top choice for players seeking a blend of power and precision without compromising comfort. Number 4. Jula Ben John's Perseus 3S. The Jula 3S Pickleball Paddles collection features premium paddles designed in collaboration with professional player Ben Johns, offering top-tier performance for competitive and advanced players. These paddles come in multiple shapes: Perseus, Hyperion, Scorpius, and Magnus, each tailored for different playing styles, from power to control to spin. All paddles in the 3S line feature a raw carbon fiber surface, which enhances spin potential, ball bite, and durability. This surface material provides a gritty texture that helps generate superior topspin and slice shots, ideal for players who rely on strategic ball placement and spin manipulation. The paddles come in both 14mm and 16mm core thicknesses. The 14mm versions offer a quicker response and more power, while the 16mm paddles provide better control and a softer feel. Each core uses reactive polypropylene honeycomb technology, optimizing energy transfer while maintaining a lightweight design. Design-wise, these paddles incorporate AeroCurve technology to reduce drag and improve swing speed, especially important for players who like quick hands and fast resets. The various paddle shapes, elongated, Perseus, Magnus, Widebody, Hyperion, and aerodynamic, Scorpius, suit different preferences in reach, balance, and sweet spot size. All Jula 3S paddles are USA Pickleball approved, UPAA certified, for tournament play, offering confidence in quality and compliance. In summary, the Jula 3S line combines elite-level technology, professional-grade materials, and performance-focused design, making it a standout choice for serious pickleball athletes seeking spin, speed, and control across different playing styles. Number 5. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine Pickleball paddle is a visually striking paddle designed to deliver elite power, accuracy, and comfort for both novice and professional players. Featuring vibrant color designs, this paddle stands out not just for its looks but also for its reliable on-court performance. The paddle is built with a fiberglass surface, known for offering excellent ball control and a soft feel on contact. This surface provides a responsive touch that helps players place shots precisely, while also maintaining enough power for aggressive drives and volleys. It's well suited for players who want a blend of control and pop without sacrificing finesse. At its core, the paddle uses a lightweight honeycomb polymer construction, which reduces overall paddle weight while enhancing strength and stability. This core material offers a balanced feel, minimizing vibration and maximizing energy transfer for powerful yet controlled shots. The paddle is designed to be easy to maneuver, making it ideal for quick volleys and fast-paced gameplay. The handle features a comfortable cushioned grip, designed to reduce fatigue and provide a secure, non-slip hold during long matches. Its ergonomic shape suits various hand sizes and enhances wrist control, contributing to improved shot accuracy. USAPA approved, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle meets tournament standards and is ready for competitive play right out of the box. In summary, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle offers a winning combination of style, lightweight design, comfort, and performance, making it a great all-around paddle for players at any level seeking both flair and function on the court.